back, guys. So today I'm going to show you guys a quick tutorial on how to download your SOLIOM smart battery camera app. You can either download from your Google Play Store or your App Store. Alright, so first of all, you need to go to your Google Play Store. Since I'm using my Android Samsung Note 10 Plus, and then you want to go ahead and search SOLIOM Pro. Make sure it's that app, okay? And then you're going to click on it. So there are like 3 different apps: SOLIOM Pro, SOLIOM, and then SOLIOM Plus. Be sure to select the Pro version. So all you need to do is just click on download. So since I download mine already, so to save time, so I'm just going to go ahead and open it up. Alright, so this is after I add the device already. So once you open this, it will ask you to add a device. Then you're going to click on add device, and then you're going to enter your password for your home Wi-Fi. And then after that, you're going to press this button. Well, you need to power on this camera first. And then after that, there's a QR code. You need to scan it with this SOLIOM camera. So you need to double tap this, and then you try to move around to try to take an image or focus the image of the QR code. Either your connection successfully or your password is incorrect, or the internet there's no service or anything like that. So unfortunately, I had to keep on trying on mine because I got so many devices within my home. Once there are so many devices connected to my router, unfortunately, it will not allow me to connect more devices. So this is only 2.4 gigahertz. So if your router is mainly support 5 gigahertz, this will not work for you, okay? So as you can see, now we have live streaming right now. Let me take out my stylus. So if you need to add more camera, you just need to click on this plus button right there. So as you can see, add new camera, and then you ask you to select your home Wi-Fi, and then right here you need to enter the password, okay? And then once you enter the password, you need to press continue, and then it will give you the QR code for you to scan right here on the screen on your smartphone. So let's go back. So this is the live view right now. Let's see if I click on it. Yeah, so I'm pretty far away from my router, so maybe it's not connecting. So anyway, let's go, and then there's like if you have a multiple camera, you could click on the icon right here on the upper right hand side. It's for like a grid view, okay? And you can toggle back and forth. And then there's a arrow down, drop down menu right here, all camera, or you can select individual camera, and then default location, and then share device. And also over here, there's a setting icon gear right here. And it says Wi-Fi is good, and then status is online. You could also set your location name over here. I set it to front door. And then right here, you can click on motion detection. You can set the alarm on and off once you see the movement. And then resolution, you can change to 720 or 1080p. So I'm set on 1080p. And then record video duration. You could have auto 10 second, 15 second, or 20 second. And then motion detection on and off. And then detection sensitivity, you can set it high, medium, or low. And then you could also set the activity zone right here. You could click on the plus sign, and then you could drag however which area you want to cover for the activity zone. Okay. And to confirm, you just need to check it or just delete it. I'm going to delete it. And then ask you to confirm to delete. See, I'm able to load image, so I'm pretty far away from my router, so let's see. And then notification setting. Right here, you can set the push notification, classification detection. The camera will only send you notification when it detects the following object motion, and some unless information will be filtered. So you could just check it for the person, or if you don't want the pet, that's a dog or cat running around or vehicle driving by, you could uncheck those. And then there's a night vision setting. So right here, you can set the night vision on and off. And then light sensitivity level. There is a high, medium, or low. And then SD card video. This is where you could show you the date. And then the time zone. I'm not sure why it doesn't have anything on here, but and then you can zoom in and out for the time frame. And then there's advanced setting right here. You can set the camera name. Battery level shows 73%. Signal strength is good. And then a time zone. System version, build, and then firmware. And then you could change the voice language. After I did the update, it adds Japanese. Previously, it only has Chinese or English. And then after that, if you select it, you can click on Save. And then right here, show you the SD card. After you did the initial setup and then put on your SD card, it will ask you to format it with the app. And then you just click on right here and then automatically delete everything. So make sure nothing's on the micro SD card, or else everything's going to get erased. Okay. And then give you the model number, serial number, MAC version, and IP address. And then you can share with your friends or whatever. So right here it is home, and then a mid section where this is where all your videos saves at. Okay. Earlier I did the test for the alarm, so just give a sample. So yeah, like I say, I am pretty far away from my router, so, and there's a interference, so it's not gonna load, unfortunately. So anyway, the alarm will go off for like 5 seconds, and after that, it's gonna start recording. And then on the bottom right here, you could delete, share the video, mark, or download to your smartphone, okay? Or if you have an iPad, iPhone or tablet, you can download directly to those storage. And it shows you the date, June 24, Wednesday, which is today. And these are all the video that was recorded with the motion detect. And record to 20 seconds. And then there's this icon right here. If you want the cloud service, you can click on the SOLIOM Awareness Plus. But those are the fee that you need to pay. But I don't like to pay any fee, so $2.99 a month for the basics, and then the plus is $2.99, so it's like same price. And then Pro, 3 months for $7.99. So if you have an activity zone, those are the required subscription, okay? And intelligent push, or you can click on the more details. If you need to learn about the cloud recording, intelligent notification, activity zone. All right, so I put my camera upstairs right now to do a quick test because I want to show you guys a video. Right here, you can click on record video, okay? And as you can see, after I press record, the countdown starting counting up. And then you need to press record button right there to turn it off. And then right here is to snap a photo. It says photo is saved to an album. And then if you want to mute the speaker, just click on that. So you can turn it on and off. And if you want to set the alarm, it's going to go off on the camera. And then this is the microphone. If you need to press and talk. Hello, testing 1, 2, 3. See, when I talk, the green bar goes up and down. And then right here is where you click on the quality of your video on the lower right hand side right here. Right now it's on HD, you can change to SD or auto, okay? And then there's a setting gear icon right there, and we'll take you to the setting. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And if you got any question, please drop a comment on the. If you have any question, please drop a comment, and then I will try to answer best of my knowledge. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.